Welcome to another video of InstiKit School ERP. In this video, we will be exploring a new feature called QR Code Attendance. This feature is available in version 4.2 and this feature is currently available for the employees to mark their attendance. Each employee must have one smartphone with them to use this feature. To use this feature, you need to go to Employee, Attendance, Configuration, and make sure the Enable QR Code Attendance is turned on. If this field is disabled, then you will not be able to mark QR code based attendance. Once you enable it, you get another option, Use Dynamic QR Code. If enabled, a new QR code will be generated dynamically after every successful attendance. This is pretty helpful to prevent proxy attendance. If the QR code is same all the time, then employees can share their QR code with their colleagues and they can mark their attendance on behalf of that employee. But if the QR code is generated dynamically, in that case, it is a little trickier to share the QR code because it is generated dynamically every time. Next, a new role is introduced here. You can go to roles and permission and you can see attendance assistant is a new role, and this role should have a permission login action. You can just create a user. So in this case, if you check here, I have already created a user named attendance assistant, and the email ID is this, username is this, and the role is attendance assistant. No other role or no other function is required for this particular user. To understand how this QR code based attendance works, just imagine that you have a system on your premises which will scan the QR code from the employees and then mark the attendance for that particular employee. So instead of having a biometric device, you can just have a system on your premise and then you can log in as the attendance assistant. Let's first check the QR code for any particular employee. I will search for an employee. I will log in as this employee by impersonating. And now I will go to QR code. I will capture this QR code. Once I capture it, I will log out in as attendance user, which is attendance assistant. A small clock icon, I can click here. I need to click this scan QR code button, and now I can scan this QR code, and now you can see attendance marked successfully. If I try to submit attendance again, it says you have recently marked attendance. So there must be at least 5 minutes gap between two attendance, and one employee can mark attendance multiple times. This is how the QR code works. Now let's see how the QR code attendance is marked. I will go to employee attendance timesheet, and now you can see that Supriya Batra, who is PGT, and the attendance is marked around 4:09 p.m. If you have any suggestion regarding this particular module, please do let me know, and thank you for watching this video.